And once again, I'm a Chicago dude. Y'all come find me. Y'all want some motherfucking smoke. I love smoke. Well, Peter?
Tata Izzy. Well, last question to just curiosity. What's the difference between a black chicken? Because in Miami, when I'm walking, there's black chickens, like a lot of them, pero también just regular roosters. You know what I mean? Like, that was curiosity for me.
Okay, well, then for you, you're fine. In Miami, oh, look, you know what? One of my good friends that just got released from prison, he was one of the guys that helped me found in prison. Our religion is labeled now, Palo Mayombe stamp. You can go to prison and instead of, you can't pick Muslim, Christian, Catholic, you can pick Palo Mayombe now.
Wow.
We made that happen. We sent and we wrote to Washington, Springfield. We wanted that shit done. It's our right.
Yeah.
Believe in our right.
For sure.
And whatever we want to faith in. So anyway, he just got released and he moved to Miami. I was just in contact with him.
Yeah.
And he moved to Halayel, what do you call it? Halayel.
Oh, I know.